Morning. So this is still on BTC on the daily time frame, and you can see why we are expecting a rally upward at this level, because we have come all the way like this. Let me just show you the structure that I'm looking at, from this high to this low and straight up to this high. This is my major structure for me. That's on the higher time frame. So now I'm expecting price to respect this line here, and I'm expecting price from that line who should be going upward. We should be going upward. So I'm going to go into here. I made a video recently about a buy opportunity we saw and we took weeks back. So let me go into the 4-hour time frame. As you can see, this was the place, the last high that made this low. So price now down stop. This position, this place we bought here, then we closed. We did not take it too far. So price now, before breaking this structure here, before this market structure shift, it retraced, took out this liquidity here, then broke structure, then still continue give us the main high. Then now it's retracing. I'm expecting it to respect this black candle here. This black candle, I'll consider it as my 4-hour order block. So I'm expecting price to come then and give us a dance. Then whatever it does, we'll be looking at the structure here. So I've already marked out some things. Here will be my liquidity. So I've already marked out some things. So let's go into the structure and see what am I looking at and what opportunity did we see yesterday. So basically this will be my structure from here. I'll just put it from here, from this low to this high. This is my major high. This is the sweep. This is the liquidity. So I'm expecting price to respect this area here. So what happened here? You see, I did not just enter the market like that. I kind of wait for it to give me a pattern here. And what I discovered, I went to the 15-minute time frame and I saw this pattern here. I went to this 15-minute time frame and I saw this pattern. That's the reversal pattern I was expecting. I saw the sweep. You see from here, it still hold like a consolidation, then a sweep to this side. Then we got price giving us liquidity zones, going up and going up. So what I was expecting price to do before even this break of structure here, what I was expecting price to do was for price to come down. For price to come down into this zone here. I was expecting it to retrace as it was coming down. I was thinking it's coming to this zone, but basically shocked us. It shocked me. This up move, I was not expecting it. It just spiked up to 90, I think 91k. So now it has gone there and it has come back down. So I now enter from where I said I want to enter. Now it's gyrating up gradually. So I was able to close some profits first and re-strategize for another position. Yeah, I entered here and I closed around here. Then I am waiting for this price to come down to some sort of a breaker block or this black candle here. I was expecting it to dance down a little bit, then maybe continue gyrating up, or otherwise price is just dancing on the zone to break it. So that's it. So the idea of this video is entering when the market gives you a pattern towards the direction you are expecting it to go, and being open-minded that price can do anything. Price can come down and sweep these lows. All this low here is liquidity. This low here, they are all liquidity. So that's it. Come in, let me go into this one. Let me go into this so that you'll be able to see it clearly. Look at this. What does this look like? Let me just draw a schematic from this high I'm interested in. Then we got the retracement, another retracement. Then we got this spike up, a retracement, another spike, but we didn't break structure. Now price is consolidating. Now I am suspecting that this price is coming down. So either this main black candle, this threshold of this candle, I'm thinking price should come back to it then before we consider a continuation upward. So whatever it is, you will see it on my next video. By the way, I've made some profit from this one, so I'll just stick to it and be observing from here. My stop loss, you see, that's why it's not good to just put your stop loss too tight. Bring it down below so that your market will not take you out. If it takes you out, you start getting angry and saying, oh, these people knew where I dropped my stop loss. Well, actually they don't. They are just following structure. They are just following algorithmic movement. How do you pronounce it? So this is it. I will just be aiming for 1:3. So let's say 1:3 would be around here. I don't want to go too far because BTC this period, I don't understand what BTC is doing. This spike up, I was not expecting it. So that's that about that. Yeah, a lot of people will lose money here. You know why? Because a lot of people will lose money here. They'll be either looking to enter where they look at this low, price came up, reacted from this, then break structure. Now they are expecting it maybe as it's coming down, maybe wants to come and sweep this low, tap into some sort of other block, or let me see what's here. The lowest candle here. This seems like a consolidation thing, but equal lows. You see, it's equal lows. Let me just see. They were expected to come down here. See, price now came back and swept it, continue going down now. So there are system where price, there's a way price move, and if you continue studying them, you will understand them. So I'm also open-minded that price can just maybe dance, complete this 1:3, then retrace and scatter all these thing I mark here.